If you were to dust that knife, that's how many brains do you think you will lift?
I don't want to think.
Did you try dusting?
No, I did not go to the surface here.
Now let me rephrase that question. If you have a knife, we hold it, several of us in this court. If you dust, will you find all the people who held the knife?
Not particularly.
How many layers will you find?
Only one.
Only one layer?
Yeah.
The last person or the second last?
Depends on how you held the knife.
No, officer, I'm very serious here. Somebody held the knife and he gave it to me. It has landed on you for dusting. Would you find my fingerprint and the person who gave me the knife? That's what I'm asking.
Is it a possibility that you would find his fingerprints as well as those of the person who gave him the knife?
Yes, it is.
Is that that possibility?
It is.
Okay.
Those will be 2 layers. Correct?
One layer, but
1 layer, but overlapping.
different.
Overlapping.
Depends on how someone held.
All right. So the rest you just, you don't know what the investigator did.
What I did not.
You just started off. Thank you so much.
Receipt grant, Miller.
Miss Maya?
Exam.
Officer Ndoka, you've been asked a question with regards to how you found the deceased. And at some point you've explained that you moved the body, I believe, to capture an injury on her right leg, right? Therefore, tell the court, do you have photographs illustrating how you initially found the deceased in the house?
Yes, I do.
And they are photos what to what?
That would be photo 47.
I have photos showing the body of the deceased as we found it. The initial stage. Photos.
4 to 7.
Photos 4 to 7.
Yes, and now confirm and explain why you are saying why you had to move her.
So
What was your intention of now moving her?
in any scene where there's a body, as you investigate, you look for injuries. So as we start looking for the injuries, we look at photo 12 to 13, where we had to look at her head.
So as you look for the injuries, you move the body.
Yes. That is captured in photo 12 to 13. 14.
Photo 12 to 13.
Of the head area.
12 to 13 is head area.
The head area.
Head area.
Then move on to photo 14, which covers the upper torso.
Yes.
And then photo 15 covers the lower torso.
Okay.
Yes, and you were also asked a question with regards to scene tampering. And I heard you talking about that you actually had a talk with the caretaker, and there's something he told you that after they opened the door, they just saw the body. Explain.
So upon arrival at the area, on the floor, a caretaker was called to me by the inspector.
Yes.
Who I inquired what had happened, how exactly they had been able to determine. He said, he pointed to me door number Y32. He told me that a gentleman had run out of there and he had gone to check on what exactly had transpired. He saw a body, left the door open, and left to call the police.
Okay.
So he told you opened the room.
Yeah, the door.
And after opening the door, he called the police.
He went back down to the stairs to call the police.
And you confirm you found the police there?
Yes, I found the police there.
Okay. And oh yes, and there's a question that you were asked as to whether your photographs, the 21 photographs, depict the scene as you found it. Not only where the deceased was, the bedroom, the knife, and all these other items. Do your photographs depict how you found the scene?
Yes.
And also, you were asked a question with regards to whether you found anything that links the accused person to that scene. So now I want you to tell the court what your specific role was at that scene.
My role at the scene, that particular scene, was first of all to enable the investigation, give an image of what we did during the investigation and what was collected. Here being part of the condom, the used condom was collected, the blood stains that were there were collected. So this enabled for the investigator to be able to go further and be able to complete the investigation.
And lastly, confirm, therefore, in your opinion, was there scene tampering? You've given us a definition of what it is. Therefore, was there scene tampering?
I did not see any evidence of it.
That is all, my lord, for the witness.
Thank you, officer. And I encourage his examination, in fact, by everyone. And then the examination was nil. And after that, I made an order. It is now 3:55 p.m. The court will rise. The matter shall proceed for the hearing on 28th and 30th of July 2025. There was no order for it.